play a game. You don't know me, but I know you. The clock's already ticking. Trapdoor creak, silent screams, echoes talk through broken dreams. Jigsaw, grin carved deep in red. Play for your life or you play for the dead. Clocks wound tight, fates unwinding. Game's been said, there's no rewinding. Tick-tock, heart stop, metal song. Pain's the price when the end won't come. I see the truth through the guts you hide. Let's play a game one last time.
Congratulations, you survived.